Electrotechnical products are a natural part of our life. It is vital for these products to serve well and in particular to be safe. Therefore, the Electrotechnical Testing Institute is engaged in the assessment of products from a safety point of view and from others that may influence their functional use and value. Through its work, the Electrotechnical Testing Institute helps manufacturers and importers to fulfill legislative requirements pertinent to bringing their products to domestic and foreign markets. We are an independent calibration laboratory and certification organization with a long-term tradition. The roots of our work date back to 1919, when Electrotechnický svaz Československý, the Czechoslovak Electrotechnical Institute, was founded. In 1926, the renowned Czech electrical engineer, Professor Vladimír List, gained merit in the construction of a new testing laboratory, ESC. In 1935, the laboratory began its work by issuing the ESC mark as a symbol designating a safe product. The ESC mark has the same importance to this day. In 1952, the testing laboratory was renamed Electrotechnický zkušební ústav, the Electrotechnical Testing Institute, EZU. In the course of a subsequent period, the EZU became a member, and in most cases a founding member, of all significant European and international systems intended for the certification of electrotechnical products. Since 1991, we have been carrying out management system certification and also providing internationally acknowledged certificates in this field. And what can we offer you? At the beginning of the development of your product, we can offer you special tests which, prior to starting production, verify certain constructional characteristics. These tests may be followed by type tests, product certification, granting the right to use certification marks, and last but not least, conformity assessment. The entire process can be completed with management system certification in your company. Put simply, a complete, comprehensive service depending on your needs. In the following, you can see the types of services offered. Our basic work, which penetrates all other fields, is the implementation of various types of tests. Experienced and highly qualified experts test your products by means of sophisticated devices and technologies. The technical equipment in EZU's laboratories enables product testing to be carried out from many points of view. It is beyond the framework of this short film to show you all the tests. We should mention, though, this new anechoic chamber, which is suitable for product testing from the perspective of electromagnetic compatibility. Put simply, in our company, we test whether your product interferes with the environment or the hand with its electromagnetic signal, and whether the product is able to work properly in the presence of disturbing signals coming from the external environment. In addition to these so-called electrical tests, i.e. tests of electrical safety and electromagnetic compatibility, EZU's laboratories are equipped for carrying out tests from the perspective of resistance to environmental influences. These are tests of climatic, corrosive, chemical or biological resistance, or mechanical tests. These tests enable us to recognize the limiting properties of products. Therefore, it is no wonder that our cameraman did not want to test his camera on this vibration exciter. In our laboratories, we carry out tests in accordance with Czech, European and international standards, and special methodologies according to the needs of our customers. customer may participate in the testing of their product in our laboratories, and some tests may also be carried out at the customer's premises. The laboratory work is closely connected with what goes on in the office. It goes without saying that we offer complete product and document assessment. This results in the creation of all documentation that is necessary for bringing products to the market, both in the Czech Republic and in countries of the European Union. According to law, the manufacturer or importer is obliged to put only safe products on the Czech market. Requirements for products are specialized in government laws complying with relevant European directives. The Electrotechnical Testing Institute is a competent, accredited and notified organization that is able to provide all services for putting your products on the market in accordance with the laws of the Czech Republic and countries of the European Union. Nevertheless, success on the market requires more than just meeting legislative requirements. Our company offers its customers services that may help them keep ahead of their competitors. Such a competitive advantage takes the form of national and international certificates, homologation tests, and marks. The certificate of the Electrotechnical Testing Institute is our key service. This certificate identifies the compliance of properties with the requirements of standards. The ESC mark enables one to quickly identify it directly on the product. The EZU, as a testing laboratory and certification body incorporated to international certification systems, is entitled to issue relevant international certificates and marks. Let us look at our two most important systems. The CB is the most widely spread system incorporating laboratories and certification organizations from 36 countries. The result of certification within the framework of this system is a CB certificate, identifying the product's compliance with the international standards IEC. The European system, CCA, includes organizations from 26 European countries, and CCA certificates identify the product's compliance with the requirements of European standards. With regard to the fact that the above-mentioned certificates are acknowledged by many countries in the world, national certification is not necessary when exporting to these countries, and thus cost savings are achieved too. But let us go back to our calibration laboratories. In our photometric laboratory, we calibrate candle power, luminous intensity, and color temperature. In addition, we offer calibration of measuring equipment for all electric quantities, temperature, pressure, and humidity. After all, correct and precise measurement significantly influences the quality of production and services provided. We are among the most renowned institutes in our country accredited for quality system certification in the fields of both manufacture and services, including the national health sector. Our company was the first company in the Czech Republic to obtain accreditation for environmental management system certification. Our auditors prepare audits in English, German, and Russian. Quality system certificates issued by our institute demonstrate that certified companies meet the demanding requirements of the quality control system. The value of the Electrotechnical Testing Institute services is illustrated by the high standard of its professionals, its modern technical equipment, and its worldwide recognition. The customer's success and safety are our key goals.